Hello everyone. How do you feel? How was your day? Tell me about your daily life. It's important to me to have communication with you. Today I want to say something about speaking English. Today I want to tell about psychological parts. For example, your emotions, your motivation, your time management in English speaking practice. Tomorrow, when you wake up, please try to create your own positive mood. For example, by singing, by dancing. You know what activities must you like or must you love. And after that, you can sit and learn new words. You can write your homeworks. You can read your texts or maybe another one. Try this. Maybe it's right. Maybe the main is your psychological condition. Let's think about it. Okay. See you soon and wish you much success and sending love traditionally.